The Colpitts oscillator. Colpitts oscillator is the best oscillator for generating the high frequency. Basically, Colpitts oscillator is used in the communication because in the communication we have to use the very high frequency to carrier as a carrier for communication as a carrier. So we use the Colpitts oscillator is very commonly. Colpitts oscillator has become a hot topic in the recent year. The upper limit of the fundamental frequency of a Colpitts oscillator is generally determined by the threshold frequency of the bipolar junction transistor BJT, which is used in the circuit. So it is very common to use the Colpitts oscillator in the microwave range because it can generate the microwave frequency easily because it depends on the threshold frequency of the transistor. Therefore, the Colpitts oscillator is the most suitable for the design and implementation of the microwave Colpitts oscillator as a generator. This is the diagram of Colpitts oscillator. Colpitts oscillator has a two condenser in which we use the tapping in between, and it can used as generating the high frequency. The frequency of oscillation is given by the 1 by 2 pi under root of C1 plus C2 1 upon L1 L C1 C2. And this is the basic diagram of the communication in which we use the chaos waveform, which is generated by Colpitts oscillator, and this waveform is used in the communication, used for the communication purpose. It is very hot topic in the recent year, in which we use the modulation, then channel, then demodulation. And at the demodulation, we use the synchronization process, decision circuit, in which we give the threshold, which we compare the threshold voltage and give the estimated information. The chaos-based it is basically the chaos-based communication. The chaos waveform is generated by the chaotic Colpitts oscillator. In the communication Colpitts oscillator, we require the transmitter and a receiver. The synchronization is the main problem in the chaos-based communication. Synchronization, the method of synchronizations are the adaptive method, Lorentz-based method, TS-fuzzy, linear differential. Adaptive method, Lorentz-based, TS-fuzzy, linear differential, synchronization of the Colpitts oscillator, synchronization of the Colpitts oscillator. Thank you.